Hey guys, I wanted to share with you our featured listing of the week, which is 1506 Heritage Landing Drive here in the Heritage Landing subdivision. Got the river right there. You can't see it very well on camera, but you can walk over there and actually have a great view of the river. You can see the boathouse from there. I'll give you a quick sneak peek through here, but come by on Sunday from 2 to 4 and see us at the open house. Got stairs that go up to 2 bedrooms and a full bath up there. Here's the kitchen, there's JoJo. But a nice updated kitchen, floating shelves, subway tile. She opened up this room to make it more open to the dining room, stainless appliances. You come around here to the open living and dining room. It is super nice. It's got a half bath down here and opens up to the screened-in back porch, which is awesome. And a little backyard back there for the doggies, tennis court, swimming pool. Super nice community. So come by and see us this Sunday, 2 to 4. Thanks.